Okay, we will start. But today topic is heat and impulse sealing, heat sealing or impulse sealing. So this is under the fish packaging technology course. This topic is also in our syllabus. So what we studied in packaging technology, we have studied the different packaging materials that packaging industries are using. So different film we have studied the preparation of different film. So right from polyethylene, polypropylene, then polyvinyl chloride, then polystyrene, then polyester, and different other film. So this film is used for packaging of your content or food. After filling into this packaging, what we have to do, we have to seal the pack. Or if we are preparing the pack of based on this film, so we have to seal from the bottom, from the top, as well as from the sides, because we need a shape. So to giving a shape, we have to seal the pack. After filling also, we have to seal. So for sealing a pack, we have to use different kinds of sealing method by which we can seal or join the pack. So we will go one by one. Okay. So first is the heat sealing. Heat sealing, it is an effective way of closing the packets. This is the most effective way by which we can close our pack. So in heat sealing, what is happening? We are applying a heat. What we are doing? We are applying a heat. Where we are applying? We are applying over the film. Suppose two layer of film is there. This is upper layer and this is lower layer. So this two layer is open. So after filling our contents or food, we have to seal it or join it. So what during joining, we are applying a heat. So if we are applying a heat over this film, what will happen? Because the property of this packaging or film materials, if we are applying a heat, it will melt. At the time of melting, it will join, it will fuse to each other. Okay. And after removal of heat from the packaging film, what will happen? The cooling takes place or setting phenomena takes place. So if we are releasing the heat, what will happen? Cooling will take place. So at the time of cooling, this film which has been melted at the time of heating, it will be solidified. So during the solidification process, what will happen? This layer will join and it will form a seal. Understood? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is happening in heat sealing? What we are using? We are using a two layers
Yes,
of
sir.
two layers of thermoplastic film. And one of these, if we are using heat sealing for sealing of this film or packaging film, this film should be thermoplastic in nature. If it is not a thermoplastic in nature, it will not form a seal, it will not join. So that material should be fully thermoplastic. If it is not a fully thermoplastic, then what we have to do, we have to apply a layer of thermoplastic over the film, which are not melting at the time of heating. So what we have to do in such type of pack or in such type of packaging materials, we have to apply a layer of thermoplastic film, or we can also use the laminates, which are thermoplastics. So these thermoplastics, if we are applying a heat, it will melt, and at the time of cooling, it will form a seal. It will join. So what is happening in heat sealing? Two layer of thermoplastic film is there. Upper layer, lower layer. This is open. So what we have to do? We have to join it. How we will join? So first we are applying a pressure. We are applying a pressure. So with the help of pressure, we are joining together. At the same time, when the pressure is applied, we are also applying a heat. Why we are applying a heat? To melt the packaging material or thermoplastic materials. So if we are applying a heat, it will melt and it may fuse with each other. You can see here the example. This is upper layer, this is lower layer. This is the molecular structure of the packaging materials or thermoplastic film, we can say. So at the time of heating and pressure, if we are applied, it will melt and it may fuse to each other. And while we are removing the heat and leaving for a cooling, at the time of cooling, what will happen? It may form a seal. It will join. You can see here, this is open structure, and after the application of heat and pressure and cooling time, it has been joined with each other. So basically, this is the principle of heat sealing in all the heat sealing we are doing. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go to another slides. Now, what are the factors which affects the sealing? As I told that there is a three factor, because we are applying a pressure. Pressure, why we are applying? This upper layer and lower layer, we have to hold it together. We have to join together. So for that, we require some force for joining or some pressure for holding together. And the temperature or heat and the time, how much time we are applying to melt and seal the packaging film or thermoplastic film. So these three most effective parameter is there, which controls the effectiveness of heat seal. That controls the effectiveness of heat seal or good seal, we can say. So pressure is there, temperature is there, dwell time is there. Now, what is dwell time? This is important, most commonly come in competitive exam. Dwell time, because we are having a hand sealer. So this hand sealer having a two jaw, two mouth will be there. है ना? Fish के भी mouth होते हैं, means upper jaw and lower jaw. So like that, this sealer, they are also having a jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. So in between the jaw, we have to place our packaging film, and we have to apply a pressure and heat. So जितने समय के लिए वो दोनों जॉ के बीच में रहेगा with pressure and heat or cooling time in case of impulsivity. So that time is called as dwell time. The time during which the sealing jaw are closed. जितने देर तक के लिए दोनों मुंह उसका closed रहेगा sealer का, that is the dwell time. So this time varies according to the sealing method. In case of hot bar sealing, this time is same when the heat is applied. जो pressure जब हम लगाते हैं, साथ में जो heating करते हैं. So in case of hot bar sealing, dwell time is same, जितना देर तक के लिए हम heating करेंगे. In case of hot bar sealing. But in case of impulse sealing, heating time as well as the cooling time, both times we are including, that is the dwell time. Heating time में जितना देर रहेगा और cooling time में जितना देर रहेगा, दोनों टाइम्स इंक्लूड करके ड्यूअल टाइम फॉर्म होता है हमारा इंपल्स सीलिंग में. अंडरस्टूड? Whereas in case of hot bar sealing, only heating times we are counting, not a cooling time. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? No confusion.
No, sir.
Okay. Then, how to form a good seal? We are having it 3 different parameters: pressure, temperature, and dwell time. But how we have to form a good seal? So for that, we require the packaging film. If the packaging film is made up of same compound, that means homogeneous thermoplastic, if we are having, then we can form a good seal because it is having homogeneous in nature. That means the packaging film is made up of same packaging material. Say for polyethylene, if we are joining, then it doesn't require, means the control factor will not vary. But if we are joining polyethylene to some other packaging film, say for polyester or say for PVC, the temperature which required to melt polyethylene and the temperature which required to melt polyester or polyvinyl chloride or polypropylene is not same, because they are having their own properties. सबका स्पेसिफिक प्रॉपर्टी होगा, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट सबका एक तो नहीं होगा, चाहे वो पॉलीइथिलीन हो या पॉलीप्रोपिलीन हो या फिर अदर कोई पैकेजिंग मटेरियल्स हो, सबका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स वेरी करता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इफ द फिल्म इज if the film we are using for packaging, it is made up of the same compound, then it can form a good seal also. With the application of other factor, temperature is there, pressure is there, and the dwell time. Okay? So what we had, each thermoplastic material had its own particular range of sealing pressure, temperature, and time over which it will form a good heat seal. So immediately after heat sealing, one thing, when we are applying heat, so what will happen? This packaging materials will melt. So, and it will be very sharp if we are removing the heating process. At that time, the packaging materials will be very sharp because we have applied the heat for melting and fusion process or joining process. So at this times, the mechanical strength of the packaging film will be less or weak. So at this time, we don't have to apply any stresses. अगर कोई stress देंगे तो जो seal हमारा form हो रहा है, you can see here, this is the good seal, this is also good seal. We have you can see here, this is good seal, this is also good seal. So at the time of heating, this packaging material will be sharp because of the application of heat. So at this time, the mechanical strength of packaging material will be very weak. So we don't have to apply a stress over that. If we are applying a stress, the seal which we have formed, it may break. So after releasing of heat, we are leaving for a cooling. So at that cooling time is also called as setting time. At the time of setting, the seal will form. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the different kinds of sealing is there that already I briefed in the previous slide. The hot bar sealing, impulse sealing. So first is hot plate or hot bar, or we can say continuously heated jaw sealing. Here, as I told, we are having, you can see here, example. So this is one layer, this is one layer of the packaging film, है ना? Two layer is there, two layer we require for joining. So this two layer we are feeding into the heated bar. This is the two bar which will be heated, electrically heated, and at the same time we are applying a pressure and heat. So if we are applying a heat and pressure, this packaging material will melt and fuse together. And if we are releasing the pressure, that times it may cool and it may form a seal. You can see here more gap is there between the two packaging film, and here less gap is here because this film has been joined. Okay? Same thing here also. We are having the two packaging film. We are feeding into this heated bar, and then we are applying a pressure. With the application of heat and pressure, we are joining the two film. That is called as heat sealing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the time, mainly the time, how much dwell time we can apply. So heating times in case of heat sealing or hot bar sealing, it varies from 1/20th of a second to several seconds, and is controlled by the time during which the jaw remain closed. So कुछ सीलर ऐसे आते हैं जिसमें हम उसमें फिक्स कर देंगे. So we require this much time. So if we are pressing or if we are closing the two jaw of the sealer, जैसे ही वो उतना टाइम पूरा होगा, वो अपने आप जो है वो उसका जो है jaw जो है हट जाएगा, because we have fixed, so that we can control with the help of regulator. Now another method of sealing is the hot wire sealing. Hot wire sealing. Difference between hot bar sealing and hot wire sealing is that in case of hot bar sealing, both the jaw we are heating. What we are doing? Both the jaw we are heating. But in case of this hot wire sealing, only one jaw we are heating, another jaw will be unheated. Understood? How this heating takes place? Because we are feeding a one wire. जो हमारा टू जॉ है ना, सो बॉटम वाला जो जॉ है उस पे एक इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर होता है. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ ए निकेल
Chromium, sir.
Yeah, chromium also we can do.
Chromium.
Chromium, nickel, or chromium,
Yes,
we can use, no issue. But ultimately, the electric current should be passed, and at the same time, it may release a heat also. So this wire is raised to red hot temperature electrically. We are raising the temperature of this wire. So if we are raising the temperature of this wire, what will happen? The packaging film which is placed between the jaw of the sealer, hot bar sealer, this packaging film will melt. At the same time, this sealer, what will do? They will fuse and cut the film. हॉट बार सीलिंग में क्या हो रहा है? केवल उसको ज्वाइन कर रहा है. बट इसमें क्या कर रहा है? हॉट बार सीलिंग में, सॉरी हॉट वायर सीलिंग में वो ज्वाइन भी कर रहा है और साथ में साथ कट करके हटा भी रहा है. ठीक है? So this heat sealer uses low voltage electric current. So generally they are using low voltage electric current. So you can see we are having this sealer. You can see. So this is upper jaw. So this jaw electric wire को क्या करते हैं? हम fix करते हैं. You can see this electric. This is wire, electric wire है. So it is made up of different thickness. So 2 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm. It depends which kinds of packaging film we have to cut. अगर हमारा मोटा वाला रहेगा तो डेफिनेटली वी रिक्वायर मोर डायमेंशन, थिकर डायमेंशन, है ना. So this you can see at the bottom we are fishing the wire. So this wire, if we are connecting to the electric, so it may heated. अगर ये हीट हो जाएगा तो इसके अंदर में अगर हम पैकेजिंग फिल्म डालेंगे, बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई टेम्परेचर द पैकेजिंग मटेरियल विल मेल्ट, एट द सेम टाइम इट विल कट आल्सो, है ना. सपोज ये है हमारा पैकेजिंग फिल्म. इस फिल्म को क्या करते हैं, लाइक दैट वी आर क्लोजिंग एंड फीडिंग इनटू द jaw of this heat sealer. So heat wire sealer what will do, they will melt करने के बाद में जैसे ही मेल्ट हो जाएगा तो वो ये कट करके अलग हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द ज्वाइंट. ये जो कट होके गया ये ज्वाइंट हो गया है. सो दैट इज द हॉट वायर सीलिंग प्रोसेस. ठीक है, यू कैन सी दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ निकेल. दिस हॉट सीलिंग वायर having a different dimension 2 mm, 3 mm, 5 mm, over 10 mm. So this wire you can see basically it will be heated and it may cut our packaging film. So generally this sealing, the shrink packaging or pack shrink wrapper or on impulse sealer, when excess film is required, that has to be cut off. So shrink packaging, you know, hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what is shrink packaging? Shrink packaging हमने पढ़ाया है यार. Anyone?
सर वो वैक्यूम जो क्रिएट करते हैं सर.
No. Anyone? That is vacuum packaging. Yeah, you can say. Okay, somewhat correct. Shrink packaging में हमारे क्या है, प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर में पूरा कवर कर देते हैं. So the packaging film which is wrapping the product, वो tightly क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट के साथ हमारा चिपका रहता है. And whatever the air will be there, so that air we are removing. So vacuum shrink packaging is there. One is vacuum shrink packaging. Okay. Now the
Yes, sir.
next method is okay. So another one, hot wire sealing. So in hot wire sealing the material should be homogeneous in nature. Why this homogeneous in nature? Because whatever the temperature we are applying for melting, so if the film is made up of the same thermoplastic, so it may melt easily and it can tolerate high temperature, and the material should have low viscous in the fused state. These are the properties if we are using hot wire sealing. So packaging film should follow all these properties. That type of packaging material we can use in the hot wire sealing. Okay. So this method is mainly used for manufacture of bag, pouches of polyethylene film in tubular form, and this is suitable for cutting PVC cling film or shrink wrap film. Already told. You can see here the example. Your vegetables you can see here. This vegetables. So this is the shrink pack. If you are visiting to supermarket, so you can see such type of vegetable will be there, which is shrink pack. Now, another method of sealing is the impulse sealing. Another method of sealing is the impulse sealing. In impulse sealing, what is happening? Both the jaw are initially cooled. Okay, both the jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw, it will be cold. But on closing, if we are closing, during the closing time, what will happen? They will be heated. How they are heated? With the help of electric heater. That will be also in one jaw only. And one of the jaw, you can see here. So this is the impulse sealer. Impulse sealer, here also the only one jaw we are heating. Means electrical heater will be there. Bottom, top we are applying for a pressure. So what will happen? So here, over the heater, electrical heater, one Teflon coating will be there. So the function of Teflon coating is to prevent the sticking. जो हम हीट अप्लाई कर रहे हैं पैकेजिंग मटेरियल्स को सीलिंग करने के लिए, ज्वाइनिंग करने के लिए और मेल्टिंग करने के लिए, तो वो क्या होगा? Because temperature is more, so while melting, it may not stick to the Hello? Hello? Hello?
आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर.
अभी you can listen. Hello? Hello? Hello?
यस सर.
आवाज आ रही है?
कट के आ रही है सर आवाज.
यस आ रही है.
यस सर, अब आ रही है सर.
अभी आ रही है? हेलो?
यस सर.
कट रहा है सर, कट क्या रहा है?
सर मीटिंग दोबारा से कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं, ऐसे भी
हाँ,
3
हाँ,
मिनट ही
हाँ,
बचा है.